everyone, we're going to find the exact solution for this equation by completing the square. Now, of course, on this one, we could actually factor this. I could write this as y minus 5 times y plus 1 equals 0. So my solutions would be y equals 5 and y equals negative 1. So that would be the easiest way to do this. But we're going over an introductory lesson on how to solve by completing the square. And the way you do that is we take our b portion of our quadratic equation that's in standard form. So in our case, it's negative 4. And what you do is you take it, so negative 4 divided by 2, and then you square it. So let's look at this. What the first thing you want to do is write this as y squared minus 4y, and we're going to add a term, which is going to be this b divided by 2 squared. And then we're going to move the 5 over. So I'm going to add 5 to both sides and put the 5 here. Now the thing is, if you add something to one side of the equation, you also have to add it to the other side. All right, so now we take, this is our b, and you divide by 2 and square it. So this is going to be negative 2 squared equals 4. So you add 4 to both sides. Now that you have this is a perfect square trinomial. So what you're going to do is write this side of the equation is y minus, and you take half of your b, which is 2 squared. That's what this equals. So if you wrote this out, wrote it out twice and FOILed it out, you would get this. And on this side, you get 9. All right. So now we have y minus 2 squared equals 9. Now what we're going to do is square root both sides. And don't forget, when you square root both sides for solving for y, you have to do plus and minus here. So always do plus and minus. So you get y minus 2, because the square of the square root, let's leave that, equals plus or minus 3. And then you add 2 to both sides. So you get y, so we're adding 2, plus 2 here. So you get y equals plus or minus 3 plus 2. So our solutions are y equals plus 3 plus 2, and y equals negative 3 plus 2. So our solutions are y equals 5 or y equals negative 1, which we already knew that. But that's how you complete the square. Of course, factoring this was a lot easier, but there's many equations you can't factor, so you need this method. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.